It's not out yet.
But I've got it.
It's not. How did you get a copy?
But I
don't even have my copy yet.
But I got it.
What I'm saying in there, there's a whole chapter on just angry people who don't like anything, including science. And one of them, it's a riff. He just says, "I hate that science brings some of the worst things that's ever happened to humanity, and pollution, and this." He goes on and on and on and on and on. And so I reply. There's letters from an astrophysicist, and I reply as calmly and as rationally as possible when you get attacked that way. But what I'm saying is, not everyone embraces everything that science does, and some will cherry pick it. You have the science deniers for global warming. You have science deniers with vaccines. You have science deniers with GMOs. There's all manner of science denying going on in modern society, and we in a free society, what are you going to do, right? People can think what they want, but if thinking what they want influences policy, which then affects everybody, then your science denial has consequences to the economic health of the nation. And by the way, it's not only economics, it's the economic health, it's your physical health, because medicine flows through advances in science, as well as our security.
Well, there's people that deny some aspects of science while conveniently using other. That's where it gets weird, right? You're driving a car that's relying on GPS. You're using a phone to complain about the global warming hoax.
Correct. One of my more sort of popular tweets was, you remember when we had the photo of the black hole from a distant galaxy, and it was banner headlines, maybe less than a year ago, banner headlines, and first photo ever of a black hole, and it was an astounding engineering achievement to accomplish that. It was multiple telescopes all around the world pooling the data to get it right, and it was one of the greatest collaborative efforts we've ever undertaken in my field of astrophysics. Okay. And everybody was loving the results. So all I tweeted was, scientists report first photo of a black hole. Public. Ooh, ah. Scientists report humans are warming the Earth. Oh, you brought it up. Okay. Scientist. We produced the first ever image of a supermassive black hole 55 million light years away. The response? Ooh. Scientist. We've concluded that humans are catastrophically warming the Earth. Response: that conflicts with what I want to be true, so it must be false.
Well,
that is the cherry picking of science.
It is the cherry picking of science, but the global warming thing is very much connected to a certain type of ideology. A certain type of person who thinks of themselves
it doesn't matter
as a
to me.
No nonsense person.